How to make embroidery text on Kittl. Alright guys, so your first step is to simply click on the three horizontal lines and select new project. So once you've clicked on new project, let's go ahead and create one. Alright, so once you've created your new project, the next step is to go over to the text menu, click on text, and simply add the kind of text you want to turn into an embroidery. You could either go with vintage text because they already have templates here, or you could simply create your own text and easily customize it. So let's say we want something like this, pepper letters. Go ahead and click on one, and then we can easily customize this to say whatever we want. So we can have it say different things across the entire width of the project. So this is what it looks like. So let's just go ahead and realign this. All right, so after editing the text to make it resemble what I want, you can now go ahead and simply enter the information you want to be displayed in your embroidery text. So you could just make it say something like this, cute. And now the next step you're going to be taking is click on the arrow here and then click on add an AI image board. So click on this option here. And now it's asking you to describe what you want to create. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be pasting in a simple prompt here where we ask it to transfer this image into a hyper-realistic handmade embroidery stitch. And then all we need to do is just simply click on generate. And we're going to watch it generate our text. And voila, you get to see the difference between how it looks there and how it looks here. So let's go ahead and close this text menu. Boom, you can see the obvious difference between the two of this, and you can now easily apply this to your mockups, to your designs, to your shirts, to your hoodies, wherever you want to apply it, it would be applied there. The difference is astonishing. All right, guys, that's how it's done. And if you want to export, just go ahead and click on export and simply export your design. You can even export this AI artboard image itself separately. You can export it as a PNG, a JPEG, but you need premium for PDFs. All right.